And my blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Y'all just see the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xenoto. We're back with another reaction, man. And we're back with our doorbell cameras. You know what I'm saying? Reactions. This one's called The Tweaks Come Out at Night. Now that's crazy. If you guys enjoy this one of those, drop a like, subscribe, comment down below, let us know which ones want to try to next. And without further ado, let's get it. I missed these, man. It's been a minute. It's always something.
All that bear, bro?
Yeah, fucking Yogi Bear and shit. Oh, fuck.
A neighbor shared this footage of some amazing lightning and thunder footage outside of his front door.
Oh, fuck. That's scary as shit.
Memphis, Tennessee.
A normal day?
Oh, look at the cat. Or whatever the fuck that is.
For real, bro.
That's crazy. What's the little dog?
Is there
Get
dog?
your ass inside.
A woman opened the door to let her dog in, and this is what she heard.
Oh my god.
Man.
I remember nights like those.
I was waiting on my Uber and trying
Meanwhile, in
Wait,
West
what?
Hartford,
She was waiting on her Uber.
I was waiting on my Uber and trying to get my dog in, and all of a sudden several shots rang out. I'm not sure if they were shooting at the Uber driver or just for fun at 4 a.m.
Man being the Uber driver? Yeah, fuck that. I'm canceling that shit. First of all, I'm not Ubering at night, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta... That's crazy.
Meanwhile, in West Hartford.
Oh my god, we got Yogi, bro.
Yeah, that's a big one.
He's tagged.
Looks like he has his ears
Twice.
tagged.
So they know where he's at.
Yeah, I'm about to say. But he's out here making a mess.
Can. As long as he don't scratch up the cars.
Right.
Bro.
He got scared, bro.
Seattle, Washington.
But you're not
Check
slick,
this
bro.
guy out.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
He can't stop moving.
Oh, sus, bro.
Yeah, that was on something, bro. Look. I'll be like, what do you want,
It's
bro?
almost 5 in the morning, and the homeowner says he definitely doesn't know this guy.
Identify yourself.
Yeah, I don't know what he wants, but he definitely needs to get lost.
Oh yeah, bro's tweaking, bro.
Hartford, Connecticut. Yeah, those get lost t-shirts are now available.
Oh shit.
Alright, bro.
He grabs a package and throws it under his coat and takes off.
Bro.
Yeah, the oldest.
You don't even fucking know. You probably just stole like what fucking...
He stole party plates, bro. That's what he stole.
Motherfucking stole pencils, bro. Like, you're risking your whole life just for some stupid shit.
Trick in the book.
What the hell?
Oh, Bakersfield, bro. Yeah, fuck no. Motherfucker acting like he's being chased, bro.
Probably is.
Oh, yeah, look at this shit. Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah. This is why you need a strong door.
Yeah, he didn't seem strong.
My house is about to be like Russ,
So
bro.
this guy's some sort of serial murderer.
What the that's a whole fucking alien, bro.
Yeah.
Alien caught on
True,
camera.
bro.
This neighbor shared this footage.
Oh, you seen
Dude, yeah, this motherfucker retarded, dude. Holy shit.
Oh, hell no, bro. Oh, he's still there?
Oh, don't talk to them, bro.
Can I help you, sir?
Never mind. Yes, sir. Never mind. I took care of my problem. Thank you. Sorry for our inconvenience. Have a good night.
Yeah, you're on video.
Don't tell him that. You tell him to get the fuck out of there, bro.
Yeah.
You're just gonna make him
I
stick
feel like
around more.
he probably getting, like, followed by something.
Inglewood, California. So this guy looks like he's walking to his Airbnb. He has some sort of luggage in his hand.
Oh.
Oh Oh, you slow walking motherfucker, bro. Yeah, y'all causing traffic, bro.
Yeah, bro. That white car smart. He just left.
Yeah.
Fuck that. I ain't saying that either, bro.
Oh no, that's more of their homies, bro. Alright, bro. Y'all that broke?
2 whole cars, bro, to run one man.
Right? What the fuck? Oh my
That's
god.
sad, bro. That's fucking sad. He's over here like, bro,
Yeah,
fuck.
gotta watch your back.
Oh yeah, this was tweaked out, bro. They gave him that good shit.
He's seeing ghosts, bro.
What?
Atlantic City, New Jersey. Check this
Talking
guy
about
out.
family?
Creeping around, peeping around at people's doors and windows.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, we see you.
He
Andale,
literally looked at the camera, bro.
Hey, you lost? Cause I can send you straight to heaven.
Inglewood, Colorado. Check this guy out.
I came from Walmart, bro.
He's doing some sort of dance.
Oh shit. He vibing.
About to say,
I don't know what he's jamming to. Doesn't look like he has headphones or anything, but
yeah, you don't got shit on his ears, bro.
I thought he got shot for a second, bro. What the fuck?
Meanwhile, in Atlantic City, this guy's
Bro,
still
what the
creeping
fuck are
around.
you doing, bro?
Yeah, better keep those doors and gates locked. Bloomfield, Connecticut.
Oh,
So
you
a
back
big
for
bear
more?
is seen walking in someone's driveway.
that's a
And
different one.
coyote
Yeah.
is seen following it
Oh.
closely behind him.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I
Dude,
don't know
look at
whether
each
he
other.
wants to be his friend or whether he's trying to get his leftovers. But this is some interesting footage.
For real, bro, a coyote and a bear.
Alright. Oh. Big old bear and coyote following behind.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Alright, bro.
What y'all doing in Philadelphia, bro? What y'all doing?
Yeah, we got a rain thief here.
Oh,
Memphis,
his-
Tennessee.
Oh, you know what, bro? You can sleep right there. I just want you gone in the morning.
yeah,
You know what
you're
I'm
probably
saying?
hella cold.
I was about
Check
to say.
this guy out. He appears to be pretty cold. It looks like he's walking around with a soggy blanket.
Ooh, that sucks. Naked man? I'm guessing that says.
Yeah. Probably got kicked out of somewhere or something.
I don't know.
Uh-huh. Basically, you could also be tripping if it's hella cold, because hypothermia or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, in Memphis, check this guy out.
No.
This already seems
no.
retarded.
It's about to jump up.
Oh, he's trying to get to the fucking roof over there.
Oh, shit.
Okay, bro. I hope you.
on camera. You
Ah.
on camera. You is on camera. I'm gonna call the police. I got a picture of you. I'm putting police on you. You
Ah, he
gonna
shit
get
himself.
Yeah, I see you. You on camera.
Motherfucker.
Yeah. You going to jail, buddy. So will. I'm gonna watch you. You on camera.
That's
I'm finna
fun.
go to my house.
Oh.
Oh, somebody's trying to get in there. Hey, bro. It's somebody
Hey,
trying
bro.
to get the key, bro. Yeah. Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Trying to get a key. Trying to see who
You
got
better
the key
have
in the box
something
before
on
this
you,
shit.
bro, because
I
fuck
see it.
that.
What's sketch?
Yeah, I saw you too.
Meanwhile, in Pacoima.
Oh, the same dude.
What's my uncle doing, bro?
He's sleepwalking.
Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe if you haven't
I
already.
don't know, but he's hella tripping, bro. They gave him that fucking.
Yeah, that Doorbell News merchandise store is open now too.
They gave him that foo-foo shit, bro.
Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members only.
Alright, well, that's the end of that. What y'all thought about that? Let us know down below. If y'all did enjoy, drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.